Hey guys, I'm Anthony Pazos and today we'll be doing a hair tutorial with the Agadir line. I first prep my model's hair using the Daily Moisturizing Shampoo and Conditioner by Agadir. I also used their mask to make sure that her hair was as supple as possible before we started styling. Before I blow dried, I applied the Argan Oil Hair Treatment, which hydrates and conditions and leaves the hair smooth and shiny. I also applied the Argan Oil Spray Treatment, which repairs and adds elasticity to dry, damaged, frizzy hair. Before I braided her hair, I used the volumizing, styling, and sculpting gel for extra hold. To give my model a more grungy and PC look, I applied the Agadir dry shampoo directly to her roots for maximum volume. To complete this look, I used the finishing hairspray to smooth away flyaways, and it's fast drying and humidity resistant. No matter what's your hair type, Agadir will work wonders for your hair.